Hello guys, my motor for the generator on the steam engine is in for repairs here at my workshop. Okay guys, this is the deal about the motor. Something caused it not to turn. It was totally stuck. It could turn that much and it was totally stuck. And this is the motor I want to use on my steam engine. And then I opened it, and hope it will focus. And then something fall out here, but it must be very small because I can't find it, and it's also not magnetic because the magnet doesn't pick it up that I have. So I cleaned it up and give it some lube, and it turned now very nice. Okay, so I'm going to put it back together, and then we can test the motor to see if there's still life in it. And this is the other part. So that two pins that you see there will run exactly just beneath the blue. I've got a focus problem today, just beneath the blue. Okay, let me put it back together and then we can test it. Okay guys, let's test it. I've got the positive and negative on the motor. And it works. Other side, it will go wrong direction. So there it is. It works, guys. So it will still work. Alright, so the motor is fixed. Okay, now let me show you what I've got next. Okay guys, and apart from the pulley that will run to the motor, I also put a propeller on just for the fun of it. So that will look great. And I also think, because the motor will be propelled, or the boat will be propelled by the steam, I can also put on here a little flex pipe and then extend it with a shaft with this propeller under the boat, so it can be steam propelled directly, or with a plus this propeller. I think that will make a difference if the machine works at the end. And then I've got a nice big diaphragm that will work very nice, so I can decide how large must I cut it in order to have a 1 centimeter pop in it. I will probably do must do some or two. And then I'm going to start knitting now, guys. Lol. I bought two knitting, whatever you call it, but it's aluminium, and I could not find brass pipes or copper pipes, but I see this is aluminium, so I thought, and it was so cheap, I thought I would buy this too. Let me just get it out and see. I hope it is pipe. It have a plastic coating on, but we will check now. And I'm lucky, guys, it's pipe. Okay friends, I came up with a couple of calculations, and what it come down to is for tin plate that is or rigid or flexible, and that to determine if this is flexible or rigid. There's no cutoff point for a diaphragm to say this is the time when it become, or can say it's flexible or rigid. It depends on the type of material, the thickness, the heat. There's a lot of factors that came into play. So I don't know if this is rigid or flexible. But nevertheless, I came up with an answer of, factor is 16%, by the way. At 300 degrees, it will be 4.68. Okay, so I guess the pressure, because I haven't got an idea what the pressure is in this pump, so I put in a factor and make this 95 millimeter. So I'm going for a thumb suck, guys, and make it 90 millimeter, 95, and I guess the temperature will be between, I'm at sea level, so the water will boil at 100 degrees C, and my guess is it will go up to 140, maybe 140 degrees max. So I'm gonna try 95, guys. If I fail, I will have to do it over, but it's really not easy sums to make. There's a lot of different factors that play a critical role, and even the pressure, because as the heat go up, the pressure go up. So it's all unfamiliar factors that I don't know. So I have to guess at this point, and I'm going for 95, and then we will see what I get. Okay, my friends, I'm just going to stop here and build the machine, and then we're going to test what I would like, the 5 or 10 millimeter total circumference there. Okay, my friends, see you on the next one. Bye-bye.